Hi neighbors, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Neighbors. It is I, Jerri-ellen, and in today's video I am doing a crock pot recipe for our dinner tonight. I thought it'd be fitting because this is a thank you video for everyone that participated in the open collaboration for Crocktober, and their channels will be coming up at the end of this video. I hope that you have a look and make some friends, and anywho, let's get started, okay? I love this recipe, so I really wanted to share it. Let's push you up there. So in my crock pot I have, this recipe is good for 4 to 6 chicken breasts. I have 4 chicken breasts. I have a couple of recipes for balsamic chicken. I quite like this one because it doesn't have all the sugars. So my 4 chicken breasts, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Well, we like pepper, so a little bit more pepper. Okay, here we have a half a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of rosemary, a teaspoon of oregano, and a teaspoon of basil. Okay, all dry. Oh, I'm going to mix them together, blend them together there. And I'm going to put that over my chicken breasts. I put a couple tablespoons of olive oil in the bottom of my crock pot before I put my chicken breasts in. Okay. Now I sliced up medium onion. You can, whatever size you want, whatever type of onion you enjoy. It could be red, purple, sweet, whatever. I'm going to put, this is a half a cup of balsamic vinegar. This 1 can of diced tomatoes. It's 796 mils, so 28 ounces. I'm just going to carefully put that on top. And here I roughly chopped up 3 large cloves of garlic. A half a cup of chicken stock. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. I often made without, but I wanted the extra juices for how I'm going to serve it up. So I just thought I'd click the camera back on and let you know that last minute decision, I threw in a half a cup of chicken stock. It's been 3 hours on low. So 3 to 4 hours on low or 5 to 6 on high. Okay, I'm going to tilt you down. Now the reason why I put that half cup of the chicken broth in is because I wanted the juices because we're serving it over rice, but if I was just serving it with greens or whatever, I'd just get that. Anyway, let's take you down. Over here. Look at this. Okay, so now let's have a little taste. A little bit with the sauce, a little bit of rice with the sauce. I love balsamic vinegar. It's so good. At the end of this recipe is going to be all the people that participated are coming up across the screen. Okay, so stay tuned for that.
Never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got
been afraid of changes, but you shown me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places.